Hello students, myself Dr. Sandeep Kumar Yadav. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Botany, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today I will discuss root apical meristem theories. From time to time, several theories has been proposed to describe the organization of root apical meristem. The first theory is a apical cell theory. This theory was proposed by Nageli in 1858. He observed a single tetrahedral apical cell in the root apex of a number of vascular cryptogams. The division in this apical cell in upper three sides give rise to tissue of the body of the root, and the root cap is derived from its base. This concept does not hold good for flowering plant, whereas a group of initial has been observed in the root apex. Hence, this theory is applied only for vascular cryptogamous and not applied for vascular phanerogams. Second theory is a histogen theory. This theory is put forth by Hans Steen in 1868. He advocated the theory. According to Hans Steen, root apical meristem consists of three cell initiating regions called histogen. The histogen are called, first layer is dermatogen, second periblam, and third is plerome. The dermatogen word is derived from a Greek word means skin. It is the outermost layer of the meristem. It gives rise to epidermis, of the root. The second layer is called periblam. This word is derived from a Greek means clothing. This region occurs internal to dermatogen, you can see in this picture, but peripheral to plerome. Periblam give rise to cortex. Plerome is a third layer, an innermost layer. It is derived from a Greek word means fields. This region destined to vascular cylinder. Of roots including pith. Vascular cylinder includes xylem and phloem. Third theory is a copper cappe theory. This theory was proposed by Shoup in 1970. According to him, the cell at the root apex divided in two planes. First, a cell divides into two by a transverse division, and then one of the daughter cell divides by a longitudinal division. This sequence was termed as a T division. On the basis of such division, he differentiated two zones in the root system. First is Corper and second is Cappe. In some part of the root, especially in the outer region, the T is straight. You can see in this picture. In other, mainly in the inner region, the T is inverted. This is inverted T. The zone with inverted T type of division was termed as Corper. whereas the zone with straight T is called Kappa. The fourth theory is quiescent center. This theory was proposed by Close in 1956 and 1958 while making auto-radiography studies of DNA synthesis in the root tip of GIA, discovered a central cup-like region of cells lying between the root cap and the active meristematic region. The cells in this region have lower concentration of DNA, RNA and protein than the other cells in the root apex. These cells also have fewer mitochondria, little endoplasmic reticulum and very few dictyosomes, nucleus and nuclei. The root fed with radioactive precursor of DNA showed that the cells in this region did not actively synthesize DNA. This central inactive region of the root was named as quiescent center. The existence of a quiescent center has since been demonstrated in the root tips of a large number of plants. Normally, the cells of quiescent center do not divide, but this character of being quiescent is not preserved indefinitely. The cells of quiescent center become active whenever the previously active initial are damaged. Thus, this center acts as a reservoir of cells relatively resistant to damage because of their inactivity and provide a permanent source of active initial. Cloves in 1959 also shows that when roots are exposed to toxic doses of X-rays, the meristematic cells stop synthesizing DNA and the cells of quiescent center become meristematic and start synthesizing DNA. This is because the cells of quiescent center are more resistant to irradiations than actively dividing cells. So student, today I discussed different root apical meristematic theories. In next lecture, I will discuss different shoot apical theories. Thank you.